The long, slender leaves with intricate patterns of the Dracaena trifasciata make it one of the top choices when it comes to indoor plants. However, if you want choices, then check out these amazing plants that look like snake plant. Mauritius Hemp. This evergreen subshrub produces sword-shaped light green leaves with creamy yellow stripes at the center and sharp spine tips. It does well in filtered light. Silver vase plant. Also known as urn plant, its leathery arched leaves have silver and sea green blotches that resemble snake plant patterns. It looks more attractive with pink flower bracts and blue flowers. Zebra plant. This rosette-forming plant features burgundy to deep green leaves patterned in irregular white crossbands like the snake plant. Pickle plant. It grows straight like Sansevieria trifasciata and produces serrated pale green leaves that contrast beautifully with bright red blooms. Flaming sword. The strap-like glossy green leaves of this bromeliad variety have white bands. Its foliage creates a nice contrast with colorful blooms. CORNSTALK Dracaena. Bring tropical vibes and a pop of color indoors with this sturdy houseplant with patterned light to dark green leaves that look like snake plants at first glance. Century plant. This agave forms a basal rosette of hard, rigid green leaves with coarse margins and sharp tips, like some Sansevieria varieties. It does best in bright light. Bird's nest fern. The sword-shaped light green crinkled fronds with smooth margins and the black midrib is a good alternative for snake plants, as it has a similar growth habit. Bush lily. This beautiful plant gives a double treat, with colorful blooms and contrasting green foliage that resembles a lot like snake plants. Thanks for watching. Hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.